Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign on know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notification settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on email updates here. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down here, so you keep going down and you come here to contracts. So then you go down, you keep going down here, and then you come here to daily snapshot of time recorded by your freelancers. Click in this sign or this here. Sorry, when you click in this sign here, that like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.